Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Here we have come with our new chapter. Our new chapter is conjunction, and in conjunction, one of the conjunction that is as soon as we will see in this video. So to understand as soon as, we firstly need to understand what conjunction is. Conjunction is a word that is used to connect either two sentences or more than two sentences. It is a word which connects two sentences together that can be said as a conjunction. And here we have one of the conjunctions that is as soon as we will study in this chapter. As I mentioned what conjunction is, so here we also need to understand what as soon as a conjunction. It is used in the sense of at the moment that, no later than. We can say in Hindi jo hi to hi. Let's see some examples so that we can have clear concept, so that we can use in a speaking purpose as well as writing purpose in our day-to-day life. The first example which we have is as soon as I arrived at my home, my father asked me where I had been. So here we can say जैसे मैं घर पहुंचा मेरे पापा ने मुझसे पूछा कहाँ थे तुम. Let's see second example. As soon as it started raining in my society, we went to play football. So when uh, running started, sooner after we went to play football. Next example. As soon as I noticed about the upcoming exam of my nephew, I began teaching him. So here, when my nephew exam date was announced, after that I became alert in terms of teaching him so that he could get better marks. Next example is as soon as the boy found out that he had sickness, he told his parents. Next example is as soon as the boy collapsed from the first floor, his parents took him to the nearest hospital. As soon as Ram's mother went to market, he started playing outside with his friends. So here we can say in Hindi, जैसे ही राम की मम्मी बाहर गई वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ खेलने लगा. As soon as I have beaten my nephew, he went to his mother's room. So जैसे ही मैंने अपने भतीजे को मारा वो अपने मम्मी के पास चला गया. We can say in Hindi. This is our last example of this chapter. As soon as doctor suggested to her to begin consuming medicine, she started annoying to her mother. So here we have completed our this chapter, which is belonging to conjunction. One of the conjunction that is as soon as. Thanks viewer watching for my video.